try to replicate the issue that I'm having in my Capture One catalog. Basically, just so you know what my workflow is, I normally work in a session, and then at the end of the month, I import my session to the catalog. I just go here and I click import session. I do that every month, and I've been noticing periodically that I have this problem, and yesterday it was actually extremely annoying because it didn't go away. I'm going to see if I can replicate it. So basically, I'm in my catalog now, which is made up of a bunch of imported sessions. And if I right click on this photo, you can see that I'm able to see the clone variant option, and also if I try processing it, I shouldn't have any problem. I'm using a recipe that I have set up. Let me just see. Yeah, it seems to be processing fine. So right now the issue is not occurring. I'm going to quick Capture One and see if I can make the issue happen. It is inconsistent, so you'll have to bear with me, and we'll see if it will replicate. I'm just going ahead and opening that same catalog. It actually looks like it's also opening a session, so it's going to take an extra minute. I will close this session. I never have this issue, by the way, in sessions. It's only in this one catalog. And I did, at your request, verify it. Doesn't seem like there's anything wrong. Let me just close that other session. Okay, so I'm back in the catalog now. Let's see if it's happening. No, of course not. Let me see if I can get it to happen. All right, here we go. It's happening now. Let me go back to all images. Go to my 5-star images. Okay, so now suddenly my clone variant is gone, and I'll go back to that same picture. So it's not gone from here, so maybe it's inconsistent with different photos. If I click show in so the clone variant is gone, and I'm assuming if I try to process it, it's going to say cannot process the current variation. If I right click this and I do show in Finder, I get to it. It's in the correct location. If I right click this, now it's here. So now once I've done the show in Finder, I now have the clone variant option available, and I'm assuming process is going to work. The other thing that I noticed is previously when I was having this issue, let me see if I can find another one that's not appearing. Previously when I was having this issue, if I went and hit synchronize at the folder level, that also, here we go. So this is, I don't have that option available. When I hit show in library and I do synchronize and I sync it, then give it a second, my clone variant option seems to come back. So it's a bit inconsistent, and I can usually get it to work, but it's definitely a nuisance. So if you have any ideas, thanks.